Yo, what is up guys, Lumberboy here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to fix your Streamlabs alerts. So if you want a more in-depth video, go watch someone else, because this is just one tip that I have, but the reason why I'm doing this one is just that no other YouTube video actually stated how to fix it this way, so I'm just going to go over. Okay, so what you need to do, when you're in your Streamlabs OBS, you need to go over to your alert box, right click on it, click properties, and then get it brought up to this menu. So I've already fixed mine because I fixed it the other day, but on any of your alerts, if there's a problem where it shows up two of the things, so you see on all my alerts, I have it so there's just one thing on there, but if there's like this one and then the classic zombie one, the alert won't actually show up. So all you need to do, you just need to delete the one you don't want. So you say, I don't even know, like there was two of these, I just click delete on one of them and then that fixes the problem. But the problem is when you have two, the alerts just don't play. So obviously now if I replay an alert, it will play. But so if any of your alerts aren't playing, try this because it is not stated anywhere else, apart from like some Twitch guideline helping things. But yeah, that's the whole video. It's a pretty short one, but I hope this helped you out. Yeah, bye.